want you to make that dream become a reality. Because if you don't, you will be working for somebody else to make their dream become a reality. The question is what you want to do with your time. The greatness is a lot of small things done well. Day after day, work up after work up, you have to believe day after day. When things don't work out for you, when things happen that you could not anticipate, one of the reasons that you can think of that can keep you so strong. You will never ever be successful until you turn your pain into greatness, until you allow your pain to push you where you are and where you need to be. Start running from your pain and wash your pain because it's going to be part of your past, a part of your power, and add a challenge to push yourself. It's easy to be on a border and doesn't take any answer to be a loser. Doesn't take any motivation to try in order to stay on the long left, but it's cause on everything you have in. You have to punish your will the same and go and challenge myself. Today is a very important day. You have 86,400 seconds in a day. So what you do today is going to be seen who you are. Nobody talk about what you do in the last week. You have the opportunity of the lifetime. It means absolutely nothing if you don't take advantage of it. And a lifetime is the opportunity. If you wanna think bad enough, go on and fight. Work day and night for. To give up your time, your peace, your sleep. It's all about your dream and dreams about life seem useless and worthless without it. See, it's time now. You wanna make your decade. So this is your decade. You wanna say yes to your life and life difficulties and problems. You got to start saying yes to your dreams, yes to your unfolding future. When you die, leave no dream behind you, leave no opportunity left behind. When you leave this earth, accomplish every single thing you do want to. But if you quit, it's very easy. But if you wanna to be succeed, you have to be work as a man of a freak. We have something what no animal have, and what is called is the imagination. Imagination allows you to do, it allows you to see before it actually happens. What I mean by that is I want to go 20 years in the future or 10 years in the future, and I want to see yourself the person you want to be, not the whole world all. Listen to something. I don't need what you need to listen to, but I want to take 30 minutes. Go in the class, go in the basement, or go to the library, or go into home alone. I want you to take 30 minutes and I want you to imagine. I want you to take 30 minutes to think about. See the profit of talking to some of the guys. See the situations you want to live in the future and where you are in the present. You keep talking about your mistake. You keep talking about your pain. You keep talking about your trial. You keep talking about your situation. And I want you to know that everybody ever been great, everybody after to go become the barrier and the decline. There is no individual who ever success. I need you to go through these critical situations. I need you to go to live in the future every single day. I need you to see what you want to be. Listen to me, what you are to be or not becoming. So you have to got to use your imagination. Your imagination take you beyond the pay. Your imagination take you beyond the troubles. Your imagination has to take you to the next level. You have to see yourself there before it happen. Your second tool is you have to got the embrace faith. Believe in yourself. The thing you see is 10 years from now or 20 years from now. And one day you are going to be successful. I just seek to myself to keep thinking and keep imagining not what I am, what I am going to be. Sometimes it's very hard. You look all around you and nowhere to you to see success. But you got a place. Number two, you got to faith in yourself and believe. If you keep pushing and pushing, guess what? One day is will be your day. That's right. I need to be said again. One day is will be your day. When you got pain in your life and you are tired and you are full up, when you feel I quit, you don't see anything like success. You need to see your face and mirror and believe that one day is going to be my day. But one day is going to be your day if you don't quit. But if you quit, remember, there is no your day. I want you to fail for. That's why I say I want you to fail for. I want you to get to the place of your life that every mistake you make, every setback you get, every barrier you can climb. I don't want you to give up, but I want you to fail for. You can learn from your mistakes. That every mistake you make, you can learn from your mistakes.